Hello, so today I'm going to be making a feather flower as per request from somebody on YouTube. They left it in the comments and here we are. So if you leave anything in the comments that you'd like me to make, then I try my best to do so. So what you will need is a felt patch. These are goose feathers, but you could use marabou feathers, some ostrich ones, whatever you like really. So I'm going to start with the bigger ones, and what I've done is you curl them slightly from the back so they're curved like that. And then this one I'm going to cut in half. There we go. I've got 5 for the base, and this feather's not wasted. I'm going to cut that to a nice shape. We can always use these little bits later on as well for the centre of the flower. Right, so I'm going to stick some glue on the felt patch. There you go. And then it's up to you, but I'm going to put them like this rather than curving upwards, because you could do a second layer of feathers that curled upwards. A bit more glue or a bigger patch, depends how big you want the flower. Obviously you could create it as big as you wanted to. Stick that one on there. As you can see, it's curving slightly. So what you can use these for, you can put them on fascinators, you can embellish bags or tops. I'm sure you got loads of ideas yourself. There you go, so that's the first bit. And then you could add some more feathers like this small one to curve upwards. So I'm going to do this one. Just going to cut that bit off. This is where little marabou feathers would come in handy, but they tend to be quite fluffy. I kind of want a bit more of a sharp look, if that makes sense. So I do hope you like my millinery making tutorials. Please do subscribe if you want to see more DIYs. If you like to see me make something, then please do let me know as well. And I've got a little diamante detail for the middle. I'm just going to add a few more feathers. I'm going to cut this shape. Quite like how fluffy it is, to be honest. Here's a good curly one. So you get the idea. There you go. I'm just going to do one more. It's all a bit too sticky at the moment. You could let it dry so that you don't ruin your look. curl this a little bit more. Bit more glue. And it's perfect for Valentine's, of course, which is very soon. Could just use it as a hair clip, couldn't you? Right, there's my Diamante bit. Stick some glue on there. Wow. Could of course keep adding feathers, whatever you like. So I hope you like that, and please subscribe to see more, and I hope you have a nice day. Thanks for watching.